Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix YouTube monetization rejected. So let's just get straight into the video. The first immediate action that you need to follow is simply go to the Earn tab on a YouTube Studio and read the rejection reason. So when you go to the Earn section in YouTube Studio to understand if the issue is reuse content, repetitious content, or metadata issue, it will be a lot easier to fix it. The other thing you want to do is delete or edit your videos. So remove or heavily edit videos that do not comply with the YouTube monetization policies or community guidelines. Also, focus on creating unique content, simply compiling others' content, even if fair use is often rejected. So the most common causes and fixes are going to be first, reuse content. So you use someone else's content without adding significant original commentary or educational value. So in order to fix it, just add a voiceover, on-screen commentary, or substantial editing to make the content your own. The second reason being repetitious content. Your videos are too similar to each other, making them look automated. Create diverse content with unique custom content in every video. And finally, AdSense issue. So ensure you have only one AdSense account and that your address is verified. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.